In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Microsoft Edge in Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. We're going to keep this straightforward and safe. The goal here is to stop Microsoft Edge from launching on its own and getting in your way without diving into risky removals or system tweaks. You'll still be able to open Edge manually if you ever need it, but it won't auto-start or run in the background. Start by opening the Windows Settings app. The easiest way is to click the Start button and select the gear icon, or press the Windows key plus Y on your keyboard. Once Settings is open, choose Apps, then go to Installed Apps. This is the central list of everything installed on your PC, and it's where we can manage Edge. If the list is long, use the search box at the top to type Microsoft Edge so it appears right away. When you find Microsoft Edge, click the three dots next to it to open its options. On many Windows 11 builds, you won't see an uninstall option because Edge is a core component. That's normal. Instead, select Modify or Repair. Running a repair ensures Edge is in a clean default state. If Edge has been set up to reopen previous sessions or if background processes were misconfigured, this step helps reset those behaviors so it's less likely to auto-launch. Follow any on-screen prompts and let the process complete. It may take a minute and you might see a brief progress window. Next, let's stop Edge from starting with Windows. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together. If Task Manager opens in a compact view, click More Details. Go to the Startup Apps section. Here, look for any entries related to Microsoft Edge. You may see Microsoft Edge itself, Microsoft Edge WebView runtime tasks, or update and background services tied to Edge. Select each Edge-related entry and click Disable so its status reads Disabled. This prevents those components from launching automatically when you sign in, which is the key to keeping Edge quiet in the background. Finally, restart your computer to apply all the changes. A reboot ensures the repair finishes properly and that the disabled startup settings take effect. When your system comes back up, Edge should no longer auto-start or run background tasks on its own, but you can still open it manually if you need to access a site or download something from the web. That's it. You've disabled Microsoft Edge from auto-running in Windows 11 using only built-in tools, keeping your system stable and distraction-free. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your Windows experience.